My name is Rabbi Alanna Sklover. I'm from Or Hadash in Fort Washington, and I'm also the rabbinic chair of the Bucksmont Kehila, which is the subset group of the Jewish Federation of Greater Philadelphia in this like Upper Montgomery near Bucks area. You know, people always say, Rabbi, you should really bring your children to events. It's so lovely when your family is with you. I love my family, it's wonderful. And sometimes 2.5 is a dicey age. But I hope that we all got how much fun Hanukkah is as a festival from watching Tani dance. As we conclude our program tonight, we're gonna conclude not with any of us speaking. We've talked enough. But to open it up to this community, so Hanukkah is a time, as Rabbi Wolberg said, of advertising the miracle, right? Of putting out there the fact that miracles are possible in our world. Perhaps the miracle a long time ago of the little oil that could, but also the possibility for the miraculous in our lives as we increase the light each night from 1 all the way up to this incredibly bright 8, 9 flames, right? As Rabbi Parmenter said, into the darkest time of the year, we bring both light into the darkness and also the possibility for the miraculous. If only we let our light connect to the next person's light and the next person's light and the next person's light and the next person's light, and then all of those lights ripple together into one big possibility for recognizing the potential that we all have to see, to witness, to amplify the miraculous in our world. So I want to, as our Hanukkah, our 9-branched menorahs are only half filled, to fill the rest of them with one-word blessings that we have at this season as we look ahead to the next festival of lights, which is, of course, in the Christian faith, Christmas coming up. I hear that's a holiday that folks celebrate this time of year, right? We've just finished a few weeks ago that festival of Diwali, right? This is the time of light-bringing festivals. We're almost at the winter solstice to, again, a pagan tradition of bringing light into the darkness. So what are some one-word blessings that we have to fill our Hanukkah for these last 4 nights? Gratitude, beautiful.
Peace.
Hope, peace. Love. Togetherness and community simultaneously. I love it. Understanding.
Friendship.
Kindness, friendship. Egalitarianism, tolerance. Harmony. Courage. Solidarity. Family. Inclusion. Contentment. Healing. What got said over here? Was it also healing? It may have been. Music. Laughter. Peace. Donuts. Oh, donuts. Hey.
Which we have.
Nourishment together. Friendship. Let's just take 2 more. Trust. And understanding. May all of these blessings nourish us during this season until we reach that moment where the days begin to lengthen again, where the angle of the sun shifts and we start to feel that warm glow, that recharge that comes with the blossoms in the spring, that comes with the sweetness of the air as the seasons turn. May it feed us during this dark time of year, and may it feed us in a world where sometimes as we read the headlines, we feel the darkness coming in, as we witness on our streets, the darkness coming in, as we witness in interactions, the darkness coming in. May this space, may these blessings fill all of us with warmth, hope, love, joy, contentment, understanding, and donuts. Amen.